Hi, welcome to Ed Foodie. We're going to do a real quick recipe today, and it's actually not even a recipe, it's more of an idea. I've got another video out there that I've had for a while that I haven't posted yet, and it's not necessarily a recipe, just kind of an idea, just for you guys to, if you want something different. And because this is going to be just a short video and basically an idea video, not a recipe, I'll probably do 2 videos this week. So what we're going to do today, I have another video out there of what to do if you're in the mood for a hamburger, but you don't have any hamburger buns, which happens to me quite a bit. And so this is just another version of that. So real quick, let's get started. So what I've got here is about maybe a half a pound of ground beef. I'm just going to spice it up the way I normally would do if I'm grilling hamburgers. I'm going to put a little bit of salt. I'm going to use some lemon pepper, a little bit of onion powder, a little bit of garlic powder. I'm going to add a little extra flavor. I always like to put a couple little squirts of Worcestershire sauce, maybe a 1/4 teaspoon. And I also like a little bit of liquid smoke. This is pretty strong stuff, so I'm only going to put maybe 1/8 of a teaspoon. Okay, so I'm just going to mix this up real good. So the thing I'm going to do here is just a little bit different and unique. I'm going to use flour tortilla. The Ed Foodie motto is everything's good in a flour tortilla. So why not a hamburger? Okay, that's pretty good. I'm going to try to get maybe 2 out of this. So of course what you want to do is kind of make it elongated, like maybe in a hot dog kind of shape. Yeah, I think I'll do pretty good. All right, we're just going to fry this thing up just as we would a hamburger. It may cook a little quicker since it's long and narrow. And then what I'm going to do with this other one is to be super healthy. To get a nice, really good keto-friendly. You know, what I'm using here is actually keto-friendly tortillas, but we can also do something with no tortillas at all. All right, so I'm just going to flatten this out a little bit on each side while I turn it. Now I got 2 sides done. I'm going to try to turn it over here and then push it down. That way I'm getting all 4 sides browned good. And then on that side. So the only thing I would suggest it's going to be maybe a little bit different is your toppings. Of course, on a hamburger bun, your onions, tomatoes, all that's in round slices, so that's fine. This is going to be kind of elongated. So I'm going to use dill pickle spears. I got some cherry tomatoes that I cut in half, so we can just kind of put them along the flour tortilla. I've got a big long leaf lettuce I can just set right on top of that flour tortilla. And then on onions, I just did grilled onions, which I think is going to be really good on this. So here's my flour tortilla. I'm just going to put, I guess I could cut this off a little bit. There, so that fits in there good. And plus that'll hold all the stuff in there really good too. It'll keep the flour tortilla from getting a little soggy. I'm a big mustard fan on my hamburgers. I'll probably put it on the bottom and the top. Just going to set this right in there. That's pretty good. It didn't shrink too bad. Got to put some grated cheese. Here's some homemade pickle spears that I made. These actually are pretty spicy. Put some tomatoes, cherry tomatoes I sliced in half, and you can see this, the grilled onions. I'm just going to pick these up by my hand. So here it is. That looks great, doesn't it? Let's take a bite of this. Mmm. Really good. Matter of fact, I think I like it better than the hamburger bun. And this is great for us because we always have tortillas in the house. Yeah, well, those dill pickles are a little bit. I think I put some jalapenos in there this time. Pretty spicy. If you want those dill pickle recipe, check in the link below. I'll put it in there. So here's the other way. It's very keto friendly. We're just going to take this burger and put it right in the big lettuce wrap there. And same thing, let it, whatever your favorite toppings are. I'll make this a Tex-Mex burger. I'll put, so you can see it better, yeah. I'm going to put a little bit of my homemade salsa. Anyway, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to Ed Foodie right over there. And thank you for watching.